Hey everyone, welcome to Longhorn Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a customer quilt. I believe this was something I don't think she had a pattern. Maybe she got inspired by something. I forgot what the chat was. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's really got those beautiful angles and of course the precise seams when you match up on those angles, so it's definitely a skill tester for sure. It is gorgeous. Love all the colors. She wanted it, or she wants to have it as a wall hanging. So as her request, 2 inches in all the way around is not to be quilted. So I just did a nice straight base stitch, so I knew where to stop when I had to do my stitches. She's happy with at least the 2 inches. So I think she wants to put a pocket around it or something. I'm not sure. So in the squares here, she wanted to just highlight the square. It's a triangle. I'm sorry. We're new here. The triangle is just come up and around a couple of times, not too many, and that's why I've left the ones for the outside corners here just a couple go rounds. Here, we'll go over here so you can see this one. So it just went around a little bit. Okay, so let's go back here, and then of course on these I'm just going around, and I will here, and the same in these ones here. I'll definitely be going around. Okay, and then for the center here was just to kind of follow the triangle, and then I believe it was some of the angles. So, but we'll get to that later. Okay, it is not off the belt because I've used it for the 90 and the 0 for the excess. So and I still will be. So it's okay to have it still on the belts. Okay, even though I'm controlling it myself. So what I want to do is want to come up here on a nice angle, and I thought if I just keep it easy from the center going like against the nice burgundy stripes out as you come up against the long side, across the top, down the short, and there, and then if you make them all match, it'll look lovely. Okay, I'm going to try and keep the same distance all the way. Just take a deep breath. All right, and now here's a time where I can lock it on the 0 and drag it all the way across, not having to worry about it shifting. Come about where I want it from there, can shift it to the 90, lock it in position, and again, bringing it straight down. All right, and then we're going to take it off those, and then it's my turn. Good. Flip it to 0. Oh, lock it. Go there. Hold it. Put it on the 90. And then we'll go one more line in. Take it off completely. And then just backtracking just a few stitches and then locking. Okay, and that's how I'm finishing up all the triangles. Okay, it'll be the same here, and of course I'm going to want to try and keep the same amount of distance as I was working on in here. And then here we'll just go around. This one's got a couple little tiny spot stains, but it came that way. That did not happen here. Okay, and I'm just moving my ruler And I'm keeping it right on that white. Okay. Some of this fabric is just so beautiful. I'm so happy she made a quilt with it. And hug the white as much as possible. All right. And then these ones here will be just the same. We'll walk over a few stitches. Okay, and then in here, actually I'll show you over on this side so you can see some of these beautiful colors. I had it measured to a certain distance that was going to hopefully flow nicely in between the two areas because it's a little bit stepped with the white or this color coming a little bit past. So, and then just went like this. That was her request. Nice and sharp points, no rounded corners. Nice and sharp points to match everything. And then I'll just work my way down these little borders here, just like that. Same with like the outside one. And then you can see here where I have my base stitch that is 2 inches away all the way around this project. So, okay. And then you can see a little bit of that stunning background fabric right there. It's really pretty. Love the stars and the little goldenness on it. Oops. That's what happens when you run into a base stitch. So, there we go. All right, so that is our Wednesday. I'm just going to keep plugging away on it. It takes some concentration, so I just kind of really want to focus on it. But it is a stunning piece. If you got yourself a nice jelly roll and didn't know quite what to do with it, you can definitely add a nice accent color like this creamy white on white and go crazy. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. I really love the piecing of this, and then the whole intricacies of all that is like, wow. So I think it might have been parts of a leftover quilt or something. I don't know. I really love it. Really love it. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. And we'll see you on Saturday, November 21st, 2020. And that is Pop's birthday. And we're doing a 12-hour hangout, hang out, come hang out with us and share what we got going on, and just happy to see you. Okay, big hugs to you. See you soon.